AlpineHomeAir.com has a system selector to help you find equipment that perfectly matches your needs. Follow along and we'll show you how it works. Find the system selector on the home page under our Tools section and click to get started. First, we'll select a system type. These diagrams will help you understand the options. A split system is the most common type, with a standalone condenser outside connected to a furnace or air handler inside. Or you might need a self-contained package unit, which has air conditioning and heat in one appliance outside. The system selector can also help you choose a ductless mini-split system or portable unit. If you're replacing or upgrading an existing system, it's best to choose the option that is closest to what you have now. For this video, we're going to choose split system, but the process is similar for the other options. A split system can have two types of cooling, a standard air conditioning only condenser or a heat pump. The heat pump can provide air conditioning as well as energy efficient heating and works with an inside air handler or furnace. For this example, let's choose standard. Use this sizing estimator to ensure you get the right sized equipment. This tool takes your local weather info, plus information about your house design, and makes an accurate size calculation. The most common default values are already filled in. Make any changes and click here to have the system selector pick the right size for you. If you're certain you know the size that you need, you can enter it manually and then click here. Don't make the common mistake of getting more BTUs than you need. For this example, we'll let the system selector make the recommendation by clicking here, and we see the result is just above, a 2-ton condenser. Next, you select the efficiency or SEER rating of your condenser. You can choose to invest in higher efficiency equipment, which will cost a bit more now, but will save you money over time and lower utility bills. The table to the right shows estimates based on the SEER rating to help you decide. Let's get a 14 SEER. Split systems are connected together with copper piping called a line set. Measure the distance between the condenser outside and the furnace or air handler inside. Then select the shortest length that is longer than your measurement so you'll have enough line set to do the job, but not more than you need. Next, choose between a furnace or air handler. Furnaces provide heat by burning either natural gas or propane, and an air handler can provide heat with an add-on electric heating coil. In our example, we'll choose a furnace. Next, you are shown examples of different installation orientations. Is your furnace in the basement, in a closet, in the attic, under the floor? Compare your existing setup to these diagrams and select the one most similar in orientation to the one you are replacing or will be newly installing. For our example, we'll choose the basement upflow furnace, a common setup. Answering the questions here will ensure you get the right furnace model. High efficiency furnaces save you the most on your utility bills. Now click Show My Results. The system selector shows 3 options for complete systems customized for you: good, better, and best. The orange buttons beneath will add all the products under each column to your shopping cart. There, you'll have the option to edit the items in the cart prior to purchasing. The top section is the primary equipment. This is the main equipment without installation supplies or any accessories. Essential components include everything you need for a typical installation. Get these items now and we'll ship them for free along with your equipment. Optional enhancements show suggested compatible air quality products to make your home healthier and more comfortable. If you want to add any of these upgrades, we recommend investing now, and you'll save on shipping and installation costs by doing everything at once. Notice the free items you get with every Alpine system at the bottom of the page. Scrolling back to the top, you can enter your email to send the results to yourself for later consideration or to consult with your installation pro. This also stores your choices in our system, allowing our staff of consultants to quickly find them and provide answers to any questions you may have. Now let's add the better system to the cart. If you're ready to buy, just click Proceed to Cart, make your payment, and we'll get to work preparing and shipping your order. If you need to first change quantities, delete items that you don't want, or add additional items, notice you can do that easily. Let's say you already have a new thermostat at home, so you want to remove the thermostat from your package. You could remove it by clicking here. Some shipments qualify for express delivery with a guaranteed shipping date and delivery window. If available on your order, you'll see that option here and can easily select it if you'd like. Alpine provides free insured freight shipment with curbside delivery. If you'd like to add additional delivery services, at the bottom of the shopping cart, you can add liftgate or inside delivery. Adding flat rate return shipping will insure you against paying shipping if for some reason you need to return any or all items after you receive them. That's it. You can now check out, and your new HVAC system will be expertly and quickly packed and shipped to you. Have questions? Our friendly experts are standing by to help you. Just call 1-800-865-5931. Thanks for using the System Selector and for allowing Alpine Home Air to serve you.